Alright folks, winter just got a serious upgrade. You've been waiting for it and the internet has been speculating for a while now. Today we're talking about Milwaukee's brand new M18 FUEL 21-inch auger propelled dual battery single stage snowblower. And yes, it's every bit as powerful as it sounds. Now we don't have this snowblower on hand just yet, but trust us, we're just as excited to get our hands on it, but we wanted to give you the scoop first, now that it's officially launched.
Yeah, this is all about giving you the early info straight from the spec sheet and Milwaukee themselves. Like we said, we've got no hands on it yet, just what we know so far, so you're up to speed before the snow hits.
And don't worry, we're definitely planning a part 2 as soon as we get it in the shop and there's some snow to blow. That's when we'll put it through its paces and answer more of the real world questions you might have that we can't fully get to the bottom of without trying it out for ourselves.
So if you're already curious, drop those questions in the comments below. Whatever you're wondering, we'll get the answers and report right back to you. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the follow-up. We'll make sure your questions help shape the next video.
So let's break this thing down. This is Milwaukee's first ever snowblower, and they claim that this is the most powerful single stage snowblower on the market.
I believe it.
Milwaukee's sister brand Ryobi has been in the cordless snowblower space for a few seasons now, so they should have a lot of behind the scenes knowledge. This Milwaukee Pro version is of course powered by, you guessed it, 2 M18 REDLITHIUM batteries with room for 4 total to extend your runtime. So, series and parallel battery configuration.
Here's what's wild. This thing pumps out 7.5 peak horsepower, rivaling a 252cc gas blower. But unlike gas, there's no priming, no choke, no pull cord, just press the trigger and boom! Start it up in under 1 second, even in freezing temps.
That is incredible. And it's not just about power. Milwaukee redesigned the whole snowblowing experience. The auger is rubber, which helps propel the tool forward naturally at an optimal speed, basically giving you a self-propelled feel without having to muscle it.
Plus the chute is 40% wider, which means it can handle more snow more efficiently. With the 21-inch clearing width, this blower boasts a 12-inch intake height and up to 35-foot throw distance.
Whoa.
That's a doozy. Designed and optimized for less clogging, fewer stalls, and faster clearing.
And get this, the chute control is gear driven and mounted right on the handlebar. No more dealing with sketchy cables or wrestling to get the snow pointed where you want it.
Milwaukee even thought about visibility, so instead of putting headlights low in the housing, they mounted LEDs on the handlebar so you can actually see around the machine whether you're working before dawn or after dark.
And when it's all said and done, you can store it vertically, saving space in the garage. Oh, and the dual coated frame is zinc plated and powder coated to help keep rust out of the equation.
Now, in terms of performance, this blower comes kitted with 2 M18 forged 12 amp hour batteries, which Milwaukee says will be able to clear around 500 feet of sidewalk or 11 car spaces in 6 inches of snow. Throw on 2 more forged 12.0s and you're looking to double that. That's serious ground coverage, or I guess uncoverage.
And while as of right now Milwaukee plans to only offer this blower as a kit, doesn't mean you won't be able to put all your existing batteries to use, because this lives in the M18 ecosystem. You've already got battery compatibility with over 300 plus tools in the lineup. If you're running M18, you're already halfway there. Just pop 2 extra batteries into the bays if you want to, and you're off to the races.
Now, we all know this sounds pretty awesome and we're pretty hyped too, but again, we don't have our hands on it yet. And as soon as it hits the shop, we'll do a full hands-on overview with snow flying everywhere. I'm sure Jay will love that. The price tag on this unit is roughly $1,500, which does put it on the higher end on cordless or gas units with a similar size. Even with 2 12 amp hour forged batteries, this will likely be the biggest complaint.
In the meantime, drop your questions in the comments. What do you want to know? We'll answer everything once we've got it in the shop.
And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of this series when the snowblower actually arrives. You won't want to miss the real world test.
This is one of Milwaukee's most exciting winter releases to date, and we can't wait to show you more with the pipeline just around the corner. Until then, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you liked the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.
Use your hands.